everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com. And in this video, we are going to continue talking about solving two-step equations. There's a bunch of different ways they can look, so I want to try and show you as many of them as possible. And for these, you'll notice that there's a number out front that we can distribute. So there's two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both ways on this first one and then explain why one way is not my favorite. So the first way you can do it is you can divide everything by 4, okay? Because this is 4 times the parentheses, you can undo that by dividing, and it will give me x minus 3 equals negative 4. Then we undo subtraction with addition, and we get x equals negative 1. Now, I'm not a huge fan of doing it this way because later on, when you have 4 with some parentheses after it, and then you'll have like plus some more stuff, you cannot do this. And I think a lot of people get confused and they try to just divide no matter what. But it only works when you have just a number times one set of parentheses on that side, nothing else. The way I like to do it, let me see what color do I want to use. Let's use blue. The way I like to do it is where I just distribute it to begin with. It does make an extra step, but I feel like people like it better in general. So I would distribute this 4 and get 4x minus 3, not minus 3, minus 12. That's what I get for writing and talking at the same time. Now I have a two-step equation that we're used to. So we undo order of operations, which means we have to undo adding and subtracting first. So we're going to add 12. And then we can divide by 4, using all the colors today. And that gives me x equals negative 1 for my answer. I got the same answer, but I feel like this way won't mess you up later on in math, okay? This way you have to be super duper careful and only use it for this one kind of problem. All right, number 2. I'm going to distribute that negative. Like I said, I prefer this method. That's how I'm going to do this one. I'm going to distribute this negative, which is the same as multiplying by negative 1. So negative 1x is just negative x. Minus 6 gives me negative 9. We undo adding and subtracting first. So I did minus 6. To undo that, I have to add 6 to both sides. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. Remember, we got to keep that balance equal. Then we can divide by negative 1. Negative divided by negative gives me just a positive x there. And then a positive 3 there. And I do highly encourage you to go back and check these. You can plug it back in and get, does negative parenthesis 3 plus 6 equal negative 9? Now we're doing regular order of operations, okay? We're not solving an equation. We're just working it out. We're combining not combining like terms. We're combining whatever we can using order of operations. So inside the parentheses first, negative times a 9 gives me negative 9. So yes, they are equal on both sides. So that did give me the right answer. Here I didn't check it because I did it 2 different ways. That was kind of my check. Anyway, always check your work at the end, okay? If you have time. I hope that was helpful. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. We can get you set up with some tutoring sessions with our certified math teachers. Also, make sure you like and subscribe so you always get the latest and greatest math content delivered to you when we upload it. Have a great day.